Okay, team. Very, very, very powerful day as we came to the end of the day, actually, through NVIDIA's earnings coming in with a beat, it looks like, guys. I mean, massive upside from an asset that is just worth just under 5 trillion in market capitalization. Absolutely big butt here to bring everything back to the upside. And not only that, but there are other signals and macro signals that could be indicating maybe a floor for crypto assets in general. And I can't wait to show you one because you would be familiar with this next signal. So before we get started, please do me the favor, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, do everything necessary to get this thing to live long, thrive, and survive. My name is Arca, coming at you here at 9:02 p.m. Pacific time on Wednesday, November 19th. And we are looking at spot price action here on XRP at 214.11, 214.10 and moving, right, guys? So we did experience a bottom side that we, I guess in some way, shape, or form, we expected potentially just the prior day, right? So that was right here, guys. We were looking for that probable 206.79 to 203.99 where price action just came down here, right? Just shy of that. It came to a low of about 202.67, so not bad at all. And that bounce to the upside, guys, ended up printing this 12-hour, a 12-hour hammer candle here, right? So that hammer candle, usually it's a symptom of reversal. But I mean, aside from that, we do have a psychological formation being built during the 4-hour time frame here, guys. And this is your descending broadening wedge. And the broadening wedge does have a pretty good strike rate here as far as performance historically. Even throughout the 4-hour time frame here, specifically through the XRP asset. Now, the topside target on this, of course, is, it may not happen here in one day. Anything can happen in crypto, of course, guys, but it may not happen in one day. But I do have to say that it does have a target here confluent to, just in series with this 233.94 on that upper band, right, guys? So that's what we would be expecting on targets like this. Now, there's a few other formations within this formation here that are also leading to a very high probability continuation to the upside. It's just not built yet. But we have to use our imaginations, and everything will be cool. Now, guys, I have to talk to you about specifically this within the Tether dominance, because this top here, you guys are kind of familiar with this, and I can't wait to show it to you here, guys. But I do have to remind you guys that please remember that I'll never reach out to you first, okay, team? There's a bunch of fraudsters out there just trying to reach out to you, get your money. Know for a fact that I will never reach out to you like that, okay, team? And should there be an Arca, if you join the Arca Bulls trading team, there's, if an Arca comes up to you and greets you and says, hey, welcome to the team, that's not me, guys. I will never greet you first. I'll never come up to you first. I'll never friend request you first. None of that. And with that said, team, of course, tonight and into early in the AM here for me, because you know that it is just about 9:05 p.m. Pacific. This is the last opportunity to get yourself into the Arca Bulls trading team, become an eternal, and make sure to hit that link in the description below and send over your receipt to arcabulls@gmail.com so you can get yourselves just a one-time fee, no monthly subscription or anything. Avoid all that and get yourselves in for one hit, and I would greatly appreciate you, team. All right, so let's go ahead and get that done and continue on with our analysis here, guys, and see what's up. But yes, so this is what I am talking about, guys. I know that we actually kind of hit it just a little short of where we would expect it, right? These are the upside targets that we've kind of had here for a while, and it's for a reason, though, right? This is part of this massive resistance that has led to massive declines, and it's also part of that 7-month thesis, right, guys? So that is this is the 7-month cycle, and this would be the final push to that upside. Can there be one more push to get ourselves all the way up there? Sure. I mean, anything can happen in crypto, like I said, right? This one did hit. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, we have a pretty nice high on this one, right? This was very, very much confluent to this top side right here, right? In fact, we did have a couple of them that were, in fact, yeah, we do have a couple of them that are pretty nicely done there. Aside from this, right, these two are coming to maybe very close to each other as well. This one and this one here, right? So I'm wondering if this has enough upside for it to finally decline. But guys, the decline that comes from these, right? That's, I mean, we're talking big time price downward on Tether dominance, which means the inverse to crypto assets and also to XRP. That would mean massive upside for the coming days. So again, like I said, right, there still is the chance that we can repeat, right, and get ourselves to that top side of Tether. It doesn't mean that it doesn't mean that from here on it's over and that's it, right? Of course, we still have equities to kind of deal with, and we're going to find out what equities do into the coming day. But it is looking very promising. And I will say this, guys, I already kind of, I performed this analysis already with the master students for Strategies 3. Just before this filming. And what I can say to just speed things up here is that the targets that we're kind of leading into, the top side target that I'm leading into, guys, it would be over the next couple of weeks would be roughly around 304. To that upside. Now, the one, of course, that would be coming would be roughly the 233 to 234 target, which is very much confluent to your 3.618 and your 3.272 Fibonacci ratios. But aside from that, guys, I am looking at your continuation here to targets of around 304 in the next couple of weeks. So let's see how that kind of moves, right? But specifically, for a downside here, that's guys, I'm going to be honest. There's literally, I haven't seen the immediate short, so why don't we do that instead? We'll check out here volatility against momentum for, okay. So 2-minute time frame screaming towards the upside bias here, right? So 3-minute time frame, let's cascade into this. 3-minute time frame still has that upside based on this kink from its prior time. We still have, let's see. Oh my goodness. This is actually still upside. Yeah, this is still upside based on that kink, and it should close. Should it close downward like this, it's over, right? But remember that we just kind of opened this bar here just a minute ago. So I am going to maybe not say that this is downside just yet, right? I'm going to have to wait 2 minutes and 35 seconds, but I'm not going to do that. So let's just say that we have still continuation. That would mean 5-minute time frame is still on the upside. 10-minute time frame is still, let's see, expanding with a massive upside, guys. Like, it's going to be kind of hard to see potential downsides here. Yeah, still leading to the upside in even the 15, 20, 30-minute time frame. And your 30-minute just opened under 10 minutes ago. Still on the upside for the hourly, bi-hourly. Yep, everything is still with an upside pivot and screaming here, guys. Wow. And from here on, guys, these are just massive upsides. From here, I will tell you that I will tell you that this is, this already screams a couple days of upside. Your 4-hour time frame with upside, accelerating volatility, and also your upside on stochastic momentum. And by the way, check this out. So these are your oversold bars, right? The ones right behind the lighter green area. So the momentum 1 indicator here. This is my proprietary algorithm here, guys. It is available in the description below too for you to get. So check that out. Oversold average bars would be 6.84 bars, right? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5th right here would be at the end. So we're cutting it early, guys. Oh my goodness. So that would be right about there. So I guess this is it, right? So that's pretty nice for an upside continuation. So as soon as this 4-hour time frame closes in 2 hours and 48 minutes, we're going to get the validated upside signal on both of these areas here. And we're still pending the hourly time frame confirmation for upside with targets, the 8 and the daily, right? right? So pretty good so far. 6-hour time frame giving us also that huge upside. So I'm going to just cut you here, guys, and just tell you like this. These upside biases with this you know, expansion on volatility is literally not stopping until like just way deep. And that's what I'm saying is gonna, you know, potentially get us to around that 304 target. So that's how it was figured. It's I mean, all the way deep into the months, guys. But very good stuff in light of now getting a very positive earnings beat on the NVIDIA asset, pushing all of everything to the upside, including Tesla, including Google, and all that other stuff. But good times indeed, guys. So you know already the potentials. I mean, if you want to identify some kind of downside in here, it would really have to be in the immediate short term. Now, know for a fact, remember what I just said, okay, guys? On the other chart here, right, for USDT, should there be the actual need to touch all the way to this 6.245%, it may still happen, right? It may still happen, but I mean, so far it looks like it kind of declined it, I mean, with massive anxiety. And there could be, it could have been the floor here, okay? But can it touch it? Sure. Anything can happen, guys. Right? I can't say if it is or if it isn't, because everything on this is also pointed downward. But you can still have those quick little spikes, and then everything would be over from that point, you know. So yeah, so just know, guys, that's it is a risk, but it's looking okay for everything, really, guys. At Bitcoin, yeah, it's looking like okay. So hopefully we don't come out and resist at this point of 98,587 before a decline on your Bitcoin asset, right? But and then also, guys, yeah, just watch out for USDT, the Tether dominance, right? It's just, I don't know if it's going to get there to this point here. Okay, so keep an eye on that. Keep a close eye on that. And other than that, this may actually be an okay time to pick up some risk, at least. You know, just don't take that as any type of advice here. Just take it as a good friend, just telling you that there is some probability for upside coming in a very massive and calculated manner. So all right, team. So with that said, I think this is a pretty good place to leave off. Should you have any questions or concerns, please reach out to me at arcabulls@gmail.com, and we will speak very Jerry Scary Larry later. All right, team. Peace and peace. Please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as I cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Ever. I need you to do your own due diligence, and everything will be cool. But with that said, team, I wish you well. A very good rest of your night and or day, and I will catch you at the Bell Mañana. Adios, team.